What you been doing? What you been doing, Daddy? What you been doing all day? I've been out in Oak Ridge working and a sweating and a sweating and a slaving and a slaving and a sweating and a sweating and a working all day. Making atom bombs, plutonium. That's A is for atom and B is for bomb. That's A is for atom and B is for bomb and C is for Madame Curie. D's for detonate, and E's for energy, and F's for all that flesh. That's all. G is for God. H is Hiroshima, I is for Einstein. What you been doing, Daddy? J is for Japanese, K is for crypto, L is for laboratory. What you been doing, Daddy? N's more mushroom cloud, N's Nagasaki and New Mexico. O is for Oak Ridge, P is plutonium, Q is for quiet, devastation. R is for Roosevelt, S is for secret, T is for Truman, U is uranium-235, B is for victory, W is WW2, X marks a spot, and Y, Daddy, why? That's 0.